Yeah, I want to show you another way to change an attribute and to read an attribute. So what we're going to do is I have this form here built out. And if you look at it, it is a form that shows a picture of a dog. And when you click the button, I want it to change to a picture of a bear. If it's a bear, I want it to change back to being a dog. So what we're going to do here is the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out which picture is currently showing. And I can figure that out by accessing this source attribute. So I'm going to say let current source equal document.getElementById, and the ID is avatar. And then I want to get its source attribute. And so I'll say dot get attribute. And it says which attribute do you want to get? I want to get the source. Okay, so that'll read off the source. And then based on what that source is, I want to change it. So I'm going to say let new image equal, and then I'll say if current source dot includes, and you'll notice the image for dog has dog in it. So I'm going to say if it includes dog, then I want to set it to the bear image, which I've defined right here. If not, then I want to set it to the doggo image. Okay. So I'm saying if the current source, this right here, includes dog, then I want to set it to this bear image. If not, I want to set it to this dog image. All right. And then now we need to actually set it. So all I've done is defined what the variable is going to be. But now I'm going to say document.getElementById, avatar, and then .setAttribute. And what do I want to set? Well, I want to set the source. And what do I want to set its value equal to? The new image. So if I save this and I come over, I've got my dog image. Now I've got a bear. Now I've got a dog. Now I've got a bear.